Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete TikTok shop history. So if you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So in order to do that, you can see in here everything that you can see on your seller-ph@tiktok.com. You have in here the incubation program and all of these things right here. So if you want to delete the history, what you can do is you can scroll on this left sidebar until you can see this my account option, and under this is the account settings. Now for that, you can see all of these things right here. So what you can do is you can head over and then just try to close your shop account, and that way your history will be deleted. But if you don't want to close this, what you can do instead is you can head over in here to your vacation mode, and this can help your account or individual listings to be put away for a little while. Another option you can do is you can head over in here to your seller profile, and then in here you can see in here your information, security, and all of that. And on these things right here, you should be able to actually just change it up a little bit. Now click on this account health right here, and on this account health that we have, we can see in here your shop health. Now on this shop health that you have, you can see in here violation records as well as warning records. So if you have those things, then you can actually just select them and then delete them because they're only history and they've been resolved. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, and if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!